To all the employers in Hong Kong, I am Milagros Asuncion, 39 years old, from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am widow with two children, age 20 years old boy and 18 years old girl. I am the eldest in 8 siblings. I am a high school graduate. I starting abroad in Middle East in the year 2010 to 2013. I taking care for children, age 9 years old, 6 years old, 3 years old, and 3 months old baby. They all girls. I working in Hong Kong in almost 7 years in 2 employers. My first employers have 2 children, age 5 years old girls and 1 years old boy. I finished 2 contracts for them in the year 2014 to 2018. My second employer is a couple of elderly, age 68 Popo and 72 Kung Kung. I stay with them 3 years and 5 months, but I decide not to finish my contract with them because my husband passed away. I don't have any medical issue, but I have a small tattoo in my chest and in my back. I want to back to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my 2 children for their schooling in university. I describe myself trustworthy, kind, and honest. To all the employers in Hong Kong, please hire me and I promise to do my responsibility. Thank you so much.